In this video, I'll show you how to automatically add captions to any video for free with AI-powered subtitles. All you have to do is check my video description for this site. Select the continue with Google option. Once you are in the site, in search type caption video. Select the caption video. Select browse option and select the video you want to make it caption and select open. You just need to wait. Depends on the video size, it will take time. After this done, choose a style you want. I'm gonna choose the second one, basic. It's look like YouTube. And to edit this, select this, open in the editor. Now select this outer line of the caption and select the position. Select the position you like. You can make it as center, left, middle, top, bottom, right. You can also drag it and keep it the position you like. After editing, select the download option and recommended, make sure it is selected, and video resolution, it supports 4K, and select the download option. After the download done, play the video, and your whole video has caption, guys. So I'll show you. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.